Hello Hungry fam, my name is Akansha and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to test few Instagram hacks sent by you all and check if they are real or fake. Before starting the video, like, share and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram at @hungerplants. Also click on the bell icon to get all the post notifications. Our first hack is sent by Gayatri Sharma. Here I have few mango bites and pan candy. Remove the wrapper and add 1 tablespoon sugar each. Blend it into fine powder. Now on the edge of the pan, I'm trying to apply crushed pan candy, but it wasn't sticking only, so I applied a bit of honey and then I kind of stuck it. Similarly, I decorated another glass with crushed mango bites. Now in both the glasses, I added 1 cup of ice cubes, 5 to 6 mint leaves. Fill it with club soda. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the candy powder we made. Mix it. Let's taste it now. Okay, I was really excited for this one because they look really amazing and these candy remind me of my bachpan, but sadly I can't taste the candies in the drinks. I can only taste the soda and a slight hint of pan and mango. I feel both the candies are iconic as it is, so for me this hack was busted. The next hack of sandwich pakoda is sent by Gundu Raja. For the filling, I added 1/4 of the onion, 2 tablespoons each of tomato, chopped capsicum and boiled corn. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon each of oregano and chili flakes, 2 tablespoons processed cheese, 2 tablespoons of cheese spread and 1 teaspoon chipotle sauce. Mix it all together and add 2 tablespoons mayo. Mix it again. Then on a bread slice, add a nice layer of this filling we made. Cover it with another bread slice. Cut it from the center and keep it aside. Now in a bowl, add 1 cup of besan, that is gram flour, 1 teaspoon salt and red chili powder. Gradually add half cup of water and make a semi-thick batter out of it. Then dip the cut sandwich into this batter, coat it अच्छे से and fry it from both the sides until they are nice and golden brown. Looks like a normal bread pakoda, but when you cut it, it looks very fancy. Let's taste it now. Wow, that is so good. All the cheese inside it, it's making it very creamy. It's crunchy because of the veggies and has a nice crispy outer layer. Absolutely love this one. You should give it a try. This recipe was a success. The next hack was requested a lot and the first one to send is Nayati. In a bowl, I added 3 egg whites and 1 teaspoon vinegar, 50 grams of caster sugar. Whip it using a hand blender until semi-stiff peaks. This is the consistency you want. Transfer it on a baking tray and shape it like a dome. Sprinkle some sliced almonds and bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Wow, that looks amazing. Doesn't look exactly like the video, but it's quite similar. It has already started to deflate within 2 minutes. So quickly, let's see the inside. It's actually like a cloud. It's very airy and spongy, but in reality, it's completely raw from the inside. It's just sweetened whipped eggs. Though the texture looks amazing, but unfortunately, the taste is not at all good. I didn't like it at all. I guess this cake is only for decoration or looks, but for me it was a busted hack. The next hack was also requested a lot, and the first one to send was Swapnaja Biradar. No recipe was mentioned, so I eyeballed it. In a mug, add 1 pack of Little Hearts. Again, this is one of the iconic biscuits. Grind it into fine powder. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Mix it all together. Add choco chips on top and microwave it for 1 minute. Smells really good. Doesn't look that great, but let's taste it. I don't know what's today, but this cake also didn't turn out good. Maybe I messed up the measurements, but it's very bland. It's not even sweet. Little Hearts is one of my favorite biscuits, but the cake is not even 1% of the biscuit. So again, for me, this hack was busted. The next hack is sent by Anuja Pawar. In a bowl, I added 1 cup of maida, 4 tablespoon milk, 1 tablespoon melted butter, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix it. Okay, it's very dry, so I added more 4 tablespoon of milk, and now I'm going to knead it into a soft dough. Cover it with a cling wrap and refrigerate the dough for 1 hour. For the filling, in a bowl I added 1 boiled potato, 2 tablespoon mayo, 1 teaspoon parmesan cheese, half teaspoon parsley, and mash it until you get soft consistency. Now roll the refrigerated dough using a rolling pin. Add a layer of mozzarella cheese, then the layer of the mashed potato, then again a layer of mozzarella cheese. Fold the dough and roll it again. This is the thickness we want. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Place the rolled dough carefully and let it cook from both the sides until it's golden brown. Flip it midway. Let's see the cheese pull. Wow, that was pretty good. The taste is also really nice. It's very crispy from the outside and very creamy and cheesy from the inside. I feel it's kind of like very cheesy mild aloo paratha, which is very tasty. This hack was a success. The next hack was requested a lot, and the first person to send it was Harsha. In the pan, I'm adding 2 egg yolk, 1 tablespoon powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon corn flour. Whisk it or else ande ka bhurji ban jayega. To that, I'm adding 3/4 cups of milk and whisk. Then add 2 cheese slices and keep whisking until it thickens. Then transfer it into any cake tin or any container. Level it and refrigerate it for 2 hours. I checked it after 2 hours and it was nothing even close to being set, so I let it set for more 8 hours. Let's remove it from the bowl. Even after 10 hours, it's not that set and doesn't look like their video. They didn't mention any recipe, so I just eyeballed it, but itna texture mein difference nahi hona chahiye. This texture looks like the fried milk I tested earlier. Honestly, their milk cake looks like baked cheesecake or something set using gelatin. The taste is also very bland. It's not even sweet, not even cheesy. Didn't like it at all, so this hack was busted. Try these fun hacks and let me know your feedback. The shout out goes to everyone who sent today's video. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram @hungerplans, and comment on this video telling me that you have. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more amazing videos.